to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you've come back, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm doing a slightly different video because I've had such a busy weekend, and those of you that follow me regularly, my husband had a big party on Saturday, so that took a lot of preparation and work, and so just been so hectic to do any planning for my next video. So I decided to do something slightly different today, and I'm dressed for the gym. As you can see, I have my gym kit on and I'm going to have my breakfast. It's Monday morning. I don't work on Mondays, so I really need to get back on track with my healthy eating because I had a terrible weekend of drinking loads of alcohol and just eating whatever I wanted. So Monday morning, back to the usual routine, ready for the gym. I'm going to get my breakfast and then I'm going to go off to the gym, and then later on today I shall do some meal planning for the week and my supermarket shop, and then my food prep for my lunches to take to work for the rest of the week, and some meal planning. I've got a really busy week because my son is coming back. He's at university at the moment, but he's been off travelling for 2 months. Had the most amazing trip, but I'm so excited. Just haven't seen him for such a long time. 2 months seems like a really long time. So I'm really looking forward to having him back, and I also need to get some food in for him because they'll no doubt eat us out of house and home. So please stay with me. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and click on subscribe.
This is one of my favourite breakfasts. It's super quick and easy to prepare. Just cherry tomatoes, a bit of feta cheese and 3 eggs, and I kind of throw it all into a pan. The tomatoes first to get those started, then the eggs, and it's just like scrambled egg with tomato and feta, but it is amazing. It tastes absolutely brilliant and it's super quick to make. So I usually have this when I'm in a hurry or I need something that's going to keep me going all the way through till lunchtime.
That's my breakfast prep done. I'm going to eat my breakfast now. I meant to mention that I have a new camera, so I'm just testing it out, seeing how it works, and so it's a bit of a try out, this video as well. It's giving me a little bit of time to experiment with it, so please stay with it. I'm going to go to the gym once I've eaten my breakfast, and then when I get back I'm going to do my meal prep for my lunches for work, so stay with me. Hi, so I've been to the gym, come back, showered, dressed, been to the supermarket, got some supplies to make my lunches for the week. I only work 3 days a week, so I'm going to prep 3 lunches today that I can just grab and go in the morning when I'm in a rush and I need to get out the door in time to get to work. So I'm going to prep all the ingredients. What I tend to do is make a basic salad base, so that will just be leaves and tomatoes, cucumber, some radish, some spring onions, and then I will add in whatever protein I want, some chicken, maybe some mango, obviously that's not protein, but some fish or some prawns or some feta. I really love beetroot and feta salad, is one of my favorites at the moment. So I'm just going to do that and then pop them in the fridge, store them in the fridge so they're ready to go for tomorrow, and that's it. So here we go.
So I put a handful of leaves in each box, or maybe a couple of handful of leaves, and 5 cherry tomatoes quartered, and then my cucumber, which I just dice up and chuck in the box, and some radish, and that's my basic salad that I will add to and make each one different, so I'm not eating the same thing every day.
So I've chopped some spring onions, and I'm going to just evenly distribute those into the boxes. Not too much spring onion because I don't want really bad breath when I'm at work dealing with clients, but I do love the flavour. So basically that's my kind of 3 salads, my 3 kind of basic base salads, and then I'm going to add some lovely avocado. I'm going to just chop some avo and pop that in, and I've also got a really nice mango, so I thought I'd do, so I think what I might do is a mango, and I've got some chicken. So I thought I would do, I've got chicken breast chunks with, so I'll probably do chicken and avocado, and I've got turkey breast with sweet chili. That sounds nice. So I think I'm going to do turkey breast with mango, and then I picked up some beetroot. So I'm going to do a lovely feta and beetroot. So each of these salads, one will be a beetroot and feta, one's going to be mango and chicken, and one is going to be avo and chicken. So let's get busy doing that. So I've chopped my avocado and my chicken, and I'm going to pop it into the box in the middle. There we go. So just going to add pretty much half of that, I think half of the avo, and I chopped up the chicken into chunks because I have to eat with just a fork at work, so it needs to be bite-sized pieces, so I just easier if I don't have to cut anything up. There we go. And also I've got some lemon, so whenever I put any avo in my salad, I usually squeeze over a lemon to stop the avocado going brown, and it keeps it fresher. But usually the salad with the avo in I'll eat tomorrow first before it has a chance to go brown. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so that's one down. So I've chopped my mango and the turkey up, and I'm just going to add it to my salad. I absolutely love mango. I've found a new passion. It's just amazing, especially in salads. It tastes wonderful. Gosh, there's a lot here, but I do get very hungry. So let's just chuck it all in there. There we go. So that's the second salad. My mango and turkey chili, and my avocado and chicken. And then in the third one, I've just popped a little bit of avo that I had left over from the other salad, and I'm going to put my beetroot and my feta in there. So there we go, there's my 3 salads, all done for the week ahead, and I'm just going to pop the lids on and then pop them in the fridge, keep them nice and fresh.
So that's the end of my video for this week. I hope you've enjoyed it. I wanted to try something different and cover what I'm eating and how I'm trying to stay fit and healthy and slim into my 50s. So if you like what you saw, please click on subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.